Awesome. So I assume you're excited about that, Lex?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was a tablet.
It is a tablet.
It is?
Yes.
Put Angry Birds on it?
Of course. That's all you care about anyway. Angry Birds on it?
Does it work, or do you have to charge it?
It's probably charged. Bring it here. Let me help you turn it on. Why are you acting like a monkey?